Hello, this is Flores, and this is my contribution in our group encounter. In recent years, GPS technology is steadily advancing and being more popular because of the better cellular signal in most areas nowadays that determines the accuracy of the device. Many people are using it nowadays and is applied in the applications in our phones, just like Angkas or and Grab. But there are still disadvantages that you can encounter in using this invention. And these are inaccuracy, signal or battery failure, and privacy issues. So first, about the inaccuracy, most GPS devices use for satellite, but there are also that reduces the accuracy. Interferences can also cause significant problems. This includes weather conditions, electromagnetic interference, and geological features. Secondly, GPS consumes battery power. If you have lower battery level, this would also affect the signal level and overall performance. So it is better that you will always charge your device before using it because this can affect the performance of the GPS. And lastly, uh, these devices can be used for tracking and stalking purposes. It is possible to track an unaware individual anonymously. Given that these devices are globally available in the market and criminal acts can be done by the use of it, and this causes many issues. Because it is available, many people can use it, and even children and criminals, and this be an can cause ethical issues about it, and that's all. Thank you.